Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Plug the Poco X3 Pro into power and join a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't fail. Make a quick backup of your photos and app data. Once done, free at least 2 to 4 GB of storage to allow the package to unpack. Then open Settings, tap About Phone, and choose System Update to check for the latest build. This verifies availability and prepares the device to download the official OTA package. Once the OTA appears, tap Download and watch the progress. You must not interrupt the network or power during this phase. If you obtained a manual ROM, verify the file size and checksum before using the local install method. This prevents corrupted flashes. After the package is ready, select Install from the System Update menu. The installer warns you and then reboots the phone into update mode. Let the device complete the process. It may reboot multiple times, which is normal. When your Poco X3 Pro finishes, check settings to confirm the updated MIUI and Android version, then test essential apps, call, Wi-Fi, camera, and Bluetooth to ensure they work. Clear system cache if you notice lag or crashes, and restore data only after confirming stability. If the phone fails to boot or is stuck on the logo, do one key troubleshooting step. Power off, hold volume up plus power to enter recovery, wipe cache. If that fails, use my
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.